Hi everyone, in today's video we will discuss top 5 totally free online classes that you can take at your home, and also I will mention one of my personal favorites, so you can follow that as well. So let's start. First is made to sew. This is available on YouTube, and with all its content is free, so you can follow. This is a very good YouTube channel for sewing. The next is Anita by Design. I really impressed by her pattern making patterns and all these things, so you can follow her YouTube channel as well and her website as well. So on YouTube you can learn a lot of free tutorial, and also on her website you can find many patterns of beautiful dresses. This is a very good site. So the third is Evelyn Wood. This is again provides exceptional free online sewing classes for beginners. And then the fourth is the English Tailor. The English Tailor specializes in giving beginners a run through of the must-have equipments. The instructor also has several tutorials on making collars, man pants, and also on his website you can find many patterns. So this is very good YouTube channel for the very beginners, and even on the advanced level if you are interested in coats and pants, collars. So all this type of tutorial you can find on his channel. And now I'm going to discuss with one of my personal but before that just subscribe and hit the like button. So my personal favorite is Craftsy Crafty. Is a place where you can really dig into your passion, where you can find everything you need from basic to advanced level. You can follow their website as well and YouTube channel. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.